Today is Friday, July 1st, and today is collar day. The puppies with their collars on for the first time. And apparently they can't move. Oh, somebody's moving. That's Whoopi. That's Splash on the left. And, let's see. Can't see his face. Of course, every time I... Oh, that's Jerry. Hot Diggity on the right, or on the bottom now. Well, that must be Whoopi there. This is Party. That's Sunny on the left and Jerry on the right. It's Sunny. I thought she was Whoopi. I didn't see her collar. Come on, puppy. Oh, man. I think that's Ben. No, that's still Jerry. Where is Ben? Oh, he's over there causing trouble. There he is, right there. On the left. Who's under him? I think that's Party under him. Oh, hush. Come on, puppies. Puppy, puppy, puppy. You guys don't need to be chewing wood. Come on. Who's over here? In the woods. Oh, I think that's Sunny. Hi, puppy girl. Oh, boy. That was quiet and fun. The puppy's in the forest. That's the neighbor's Jack Russell terrorist that you heard. Hi, you. Hi, you. This is Jerry out. Don't you bite. Oh no, you're Ben. Well, it's getting harder to tell those two apart. Yeah. This is Jerry. Jerry. Ben. They've got the same markings. It's just that Ben's blaze is just a little bit wider. How are you? This is Party Girl. Oh, can't see you that close. There she is. Get off so I can get your picture. Get your picture. And who's this? You're Splash, I think. Yes, you are. Oh, somebody's got my sweater. Oh, geez, there goes the camera lens. All right, we got a smudge. I got to clean it off.